Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Tech Hour with Kevin and Pat, where we show you how to automate your home and install everything with step-by-step instructions. So today I'm going to be installing the Bliss Automation Smart Roller Shades. I have about 7 of them to do. So I'm going to show you how to install them, how to program them, and how to set the limits so they know where to stop once you push the buttons. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Right there you can see there's a lip, so that will actually hook into the front of the TV, just like that. And then you kind of got to give it a twist. So you push back now, you'll hear a big click. Another remote, comes in this little box here. Okay, so they'll come with the instructions. The instructions here. A wall plate with a screwdriver and 2 screws, and a remote, which comes with this own wall mount plate. And they typically come pre-programmed, so we're going to give this a shot. So I'm just going to pull this tab. There you go. Good to go. So 1, 2, 3. So they go quite high. They can go, this one can go up to 15. So I'll show you how to program it. So for this one, we're going to program it to number 1. So the first step is to push the button. I'll show you here. Not sure if you can really see that. So there's a button right there. You're gonna press and hold that for 2 seconds, and then let that go. And once you let that go, you gotta hold the stop button on the remote until it jogs. So let's try that here, okay? So I'm gonna push. There we go. So now this is on 1. I'm gonna press and hold that. There we go. Cool, so you hear those beeps. So now, go down, not a problem. I'm just gonna stop it there. And then you can go back up. And there you go. And now that shade is programmed. You just gotta do that to every shade in your home and to whichever remote you decide. Okay, so here I'm setting the lower limit stops. So essentially it's where it tells the blind where to stop. There is a programming mode for that. See how that one kind of curls up a little bit? So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, there. And what you wanna do is you wanna hold the stop button and the down button for 5 seconds until it beeps. I'm just gonna put the phone down here for a second. See if I can do this. Show you that. There you go. So now I can push the down button. Set it right to its lower limit. I want it to stop right there. So I hold the same thing, the center button plus the down button. Just want to see if I can do this here. 1 second. So here. So I'm gonna push the down. There you go. There you go. So now, I'll raise this up a little bit. I'm just gonna raise it about halfway. Okay. So I'd say about there. I'm gonna check this top one as well first. So the top one. Perfect. Let's check the lower one. You can see I'm gonna show you I'm not doing anything at all with the controller. So it should stop by itself. Exactly where I set it to stop. There. And that's how you set a lower limit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like that, make sure to click that subscribe button, click that little bell icon with the notification so that way you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up or a comment. We greatly appreciate it and it helps the algorithm. Until next time, thank you guys.